channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Travelvlog, and to my 20 subscribers, welcome back, guys. So in today's video is a vlog. Yeah, I'm going for an event in Asokoro, and my friend of mine invited me, so let's go together. I hope, I don't know, let's see how the vlog looks like. Yeah, please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share and compliment of the season, guys. So you all have been supporting me in my hair video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Also support me by super chatting me, or you can also support me by joining my membership, or if you like the content, you can also tell me thank you by using the thanks button. All right, so let's get this vlog started. So guys, we're on our way now to the event. I went with my beautiful baby girl. Yeah, so this was a church event, and it was about women coming together, praying for their kids, and bonding. Yeah, so my girlfriend invited me for this event, and I was so honored to go. So my compliment of the season, guys. Yeah, now we are outside. I've already arrived, so we are outside and waiting for other guests to arrive. Something that they put for 12 instead around, I think, 3 or 4 o'clock yesterday, Nigerian time. So, and it's all something about women. So, definitely, that we'll have to finish house chores before coming for such events. Sorry about my voice, fam. So here I'm just dancing. It's time for us to dance, and here kids are playing and also dancing. Just bonding, talking, interacting with everyone. This was really fun. Yeah, I really enjoyed myself here. This was my first time coming for this kind of stuff, so yeah, I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed to be part of it. So that's my friend, and we're just dancing and chilling. So now I'm on my way back. I'm tired, and my daughter is eating. So on our way back home. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to another new vlog. Yeah, so this is the next day of the previous day you just watched, and I'm going to the market here. Yeah, I want to go and get some Christmas food stuff. Like, it's already Christmas season, so I want to go and shop for our Christmas food. So I'm going to a market that is really cheap in my area. It's called Cairo Market. So I'm going there to go and pick up things. So let's get started. So I left pretty early for this market. You have to go early if you want to get good stuff, because if you go late, you will not get the good stuff. Yeah, this market sells really early. Like, you need to leave your house around 6, so at least around 7 o'clock. I am not bad. Mama, how much last? Which one? That one where I pick. This one, give me 3,000. Don't get 3,000. I'll give you 2,000. I will buy 2 sets like this to 2,000. I don't get 2,500. I don't get 2,500. This is where they sell them in wholesale. Like, this market is really huge and wide. People are everywhere selling different stuff. Like, you get things cheaper in this kind of market. If you're in Abuja, Nigeria, you get things cheap in this market. So I am done shopping, and I am going home. So my brother and my nephew is helping me out to clear out what I brought from the market, and I cooked soup. I cooked oha soup because that was what we were craving for this month. So I cooked oha soup, and this is what it looks like. I did a live stream on my Facebook page on how I made the soup. You can go check me out on my Facebook page, and you can follow my Facebook page if you're not following me, because I go live there a lot. So now is the next day. My brother decided to make indomie because I was going to the market to look for some clothes again for my daughter, for her birthday. You remember in my previous vlog I said something about me doing her birthday in the children's park, but I decided to change my mind and do the birthday in my house, which is much better for me. So he's just doing these noodles, and which tasted delicious and really nice. I ate noodles and egg before I stepped out to go to the market. This market I went for is a different market. It's not from the one I went for the Christmas shopping. This one is a bigger market, like where you get more of children's clothes and the rest. Oh my days. So I was just waiting for my friend. Look at who we have here. Simply Known Me. Guys, I've collaborated with this my pretty sister here when we were pregnant, so please go check her out. And so we came to the market together to get some stuff. She came to get some stuff. Me, I came to look for if I'll see some dresses that will be okay for my beautiful daughter. Even if you go to a bigger shop, it's something you still get inside market, and it's still expensive. This dress that you see me holding is going for 26, 27, 30k, and that shoe went for 10,000 naira. So it's always, you have to bargain. So here I came to get some party pack. This place was recommended by Ogum. She came here to buy something. Ogum series.
You can put your number for the video, say in case anybody that wants to buy.
And if you are a mom and you're looking for where to get party pack, you can come to this guy's shop. He really has so many things to for you to sell, for you to put in your kids party pack. So we're just picking up things I need to put in the party pack. I saw so many different toys to put in the party pack, and they're all affordable. So my friend Simply Known Me also did a detailed video on this party pack stuff. I will leave her channel down, so please go check her out. And thank you so much, Ogum Series. I also leave her channel down because it was from her channel I was able to get this party pack stuff. So I'm going to leave her channel down, so please go check her out. And so I was just picking up the toys I want. This one is those balloons those bubbles that you blow. So I was picking them up, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This is like a talk through vlog. I think so. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I think the next clip we felt ill after the whole waka waka. I and my family, we felt ill because of the cold and the dryness. See what I am dealing with. This is my cupboard. I scatter all my old plates, everything on the floor. See, don't put that in your mouth. Give me. Chelsea. What is it? All of us are not feeling fine. Papa is sick, Mama is sick, Mia is sick. Because in your prayers, guys. Oh sorry. What? Just be like this, cranky. Girls, me, hobby. It's nice. So guys, I just finished giving her her food and giving her medicine, she has shower. Yeah. And yeah, so from there, that is our drugs. Then I have some dirty dishes I need to clean. Maybe when she sleeps, I will do that because she doesn't want me to put her down. I'll be carrying her like this since. I'm tired. Let me rest more. When she sleeps, I'll just clean up the kitchen, the dishes, and I'll go to bed. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Support my channel by giving us a thank you. If you like the content you're watching, you can super chat us or give us a thank you. It's another way of supporting our channel, or join my membership, guys. Yeah, so we'll see you all in our next vlog. My voice has gone. Yeah, see you on our next one. Bye, guys. Bye bye.